Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time once again to unbox Sephora Play. If you're unfamiliar with Sephora Play, it is a monthly subscription service. It's $10 per month. You're going to receive 5 items that they sell at Sephora stores. These are going to be deluxe size sample items. Also, they always include a bonus item. Sometimes it's a perfume sample, or it's a foil pack of some sort. Come shipped to you each month to your door. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So when you get your box, you're going to open it up, and it's going to open up like that. And on the inside, the first thing you're going to see is your playbook. This little book's going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks on using the items inside. Also, it's going to give you a full description and listing of the items included, as well as adorable little puns that I think are hysterical, so I must read them to you. I'm under contract to do so. I don't know what to tell you. Also on the front of your book is going to be this little guy right here. This is called your Play Pass. When you use this Play Pass, when you make a purchase at Sephora, no matter what the purchase is, you can use this both in-store and online. You will receive an additional 50 Beauty Insider points toward your account. Then once we open it up, we got in here is our bag, and they've changed this to a plastic bag if you weren't familiar, because it is a recyclable plastic, so it's kind of their way to kind of help out with the environment and waste, which I applaud them for that. On the back it says your once a month squeal inducing bag of amazingness is here. The bag this month seems quite hefty. It won't ziplock at the top, but we're gonna dump the contents out into the box. Let's see what we got. So I did some tweaking to my Play account, because I see the first thing I'm picking up is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I changed it, but it might not have been in time for them to send this box, because again, they sent me a Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This honestly isn't my favorite foundation to begin with, and unfortunately it is in the shade Y415, which is too dark for me. I think my actual Makeup Forever shade is like Y3 1/4, somewhere around in that general area. It might be Y350, who knows. So unfortunately I won't be putting this one to use. That's okay though. Hopefully I can find somebody I can pass this along to. Relax in the shade. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in Y415, a lightweight medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for an even complexion. Moving right along, we have a Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. Fun fact, I actually have one of these that I'm getting ready to open up and test out here very shortly. Honestly, it doesn't bother me if I'm getting a repeat of an item, because some items that they send me a repeat I absolutely love. So I love getting those, because then I don't have to ever go out and buy them. A defining moment. Sephora Collection Lashed Craft Big Volume Mascara, a full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. Next up here, it actually is a foil pack, but it's a deluxe sample size. This comes to us from First Aid Beauty, and these are facial radiant pads to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten, safe for sensitive skin. Ooh, very interested in trying this out. Golden Hour Glow. First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, a daily treatment pad that exfoliates, tones, and brightens all skin types. And the reason the bag couldn't close is because it had to send their stuff in a big old package like this, which they kind of do quite often. But what we have here is we have the IT Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. Get the all clear. Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. A one-step cleanser that hydrates skin and leaves it soft and refreshed. And our last product before we get to the bonus, this is the Amuse Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This is the most adorable freaking little packaging I have ever seen on something. It's just so cute. Spring is in the hair. I'm dying now. I'm absolutely dying. Amuse Perk Up Dry Shampoo, an oil-absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. And now we're getting to our bonus item, which is our perfume sample this month. So this comes to us from Yves Saint Laurent, and this is Black Opium. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like one of my daughter's favorite scents. I think it might be. So she'll be happy to be getting this. I think it is. If it's not, I always have somebody I can pass off perfume samples to. Hit the right note. Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. Feminine, seductive, and intoxicating. This scent delivers a modern, young, vibrant blend. And so that's it. That is everything that was included in Play by Sephora this month. This month was kind of a meh month for me just because I got some products that either I'm not going to use or I already have one, but then that might turn into a not meh because I might really like this mascara and be happy that I have another one of them. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.